Hey Internet, welcome to Thursday night. Hope your day has gone well. Sort of going into the back end of the evening here in Paris. It's about 8:30, going on 9, something like that. Just got off another day, working with the third-party banking API. And had a pretty cool time sort of cleaning up a little bit the code, doing some refactoring, and then getting my butt kicked by sort of some integrations and just the complexity of different things. But today was just like a super cool day, particularly when I had a sort of a more advanced person working with me side by side, helping me map out the sort of the plan of attack for creating these external services. Around how we're going to save the data from the third-party banking API to our own database, and sort of how to use foreign and primary keys in order to do that. But there were definitely some moments where my brain just sort of spaced out and I was unproductive for half-hour increments at a time, if not longer. So would just say, I guess, that learning to code is not always up and to the right. It's definitely sometimes, there's plateaus or dips, and I think that's sort of part of the experience. So tomorrow is our first of 2 demos, and hopefully we'll have something functional, but sometimes there are essences or hints of doubt among different team members, and I don't think that's a problem. I think we're really good at coming together, but it should be interesting, because sometimes there are moments where you feel like you're advancing super quickly, and then other moments where you're like, wow, I just lost half an afternoon on something that's really silly, which often is like reading the documentation, or a lack of reading the documentation. So in this video is just a quick little summary. We're sort of giving a recap of today working on the API and how it's not always up and to the right in terms of learning to code, and there can definitely be a series of setbacks and just different team dynamics, but I think that's all part of the process. So we would love to hear what you think. We actually got a sort of a major set of feedback today, which we appreciate in terms of particularly these walking videos. I think they're all, the person who gave the feedback, they were all really generous and well-placed comments in terms of sound quality, sort of the position of the actual camera, looking at my face like this or like this, less interesting. So we totally appreciate that, and also in terms of the length, which we had been thinking about some, but I guess it will be what it will be, and we'll try to sort of take the feedback and make things better as we can. But it was just interesting, particularly because I felt like I was being a little defensive at certain points when I actually got feedback live, which was cool. In any case, that's about it for today. We are off to try to finish coding up our modules and integrating the API, so that we can have a C database tomorrow when we do our demo and make our views and our model and our controller. Sorry, that was probably not clear and made no sense. I'm just trying to get pumped to go do some more code, even though it's about 9 p.m. So have a great rest of the night, and tomorrow's Friday. We'll see you then. Okay, bye.